Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm gonna cook very simple dish, egg hot dog with sauce. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, hot dog, and then water, and then the tomato sauce, boiled eggs. Ako na nagi-boil dahil guys. Okay, and then garlic, spring onions, and onion. Saute the garlic. And then the onion and the spring onion. Okay. Okay guys, and then next we're gonna add that tomato sauce. And then we're gonna add the boiled egg. Some salt, guys. Guys, you're gonna add water. And then we're gonna simmer first, guys, so that the sauce mo absorb siya sa itlog. Okay, guys, cover first, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so that's our egg hot dog with sauce. Is done. Look at that one, guys. It's super yummy. Okay, so it's done. That's good enough. Okay, guys, so this is it, our egg hot dog with sauce. Okay, so let's taste it. It's yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And then please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.